Welcome to our fascinating journey as we explore the moon, Earth's only natural satellite. For centuries, the moon has inspired wonder, curiosity, and countless stories. Today, we'll uncover its mysteries, from its formation to its impact on our planet. As we set the stage for this adventure, imagine gazing up at the night sky, seeing the glowing orb that has guided explorers and dreamers alike. Our journey will take us through history, science, and the future of lunar exploration. Let's begin by understanding what makes the moon so special and why humanity has always been drawn to it. The story of the moon's birth is as dramatic as it is ancient. Scientists believe that around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object collided with the young Earth. The debris from this colossal impact eventually coalesced to form the moon. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, explains many of the moon's unique features. As we look at the moon today, we're actually seeing the remnants of a cosmic event that shaped our planet's history. Understanding the moon's origins helps us appreciate its role in the solar system and its connection to Earth. When we observe the moon, its surface tells a story of ancient impacts and volcanic activity. The dark patches known as maria are vast plains formed by ancient lava flows, while the lighter highlands are covered in craters from countless collisions with asteroids and comets. The moon's surface is a record of the solar system's violent past. With no atmosphere to protect it, every impact leaves a lasting mark. Exploring these features helps scientists piece together the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Moon's appearance changes throughout the month, cycling through phases from new moon to full moon and back again. These phases are caused by the relative positions of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. As the moon orbits Earth, we see varying portions of its sunlit side. This regular pattern has guided calendars and rituals for millennia. Understanding the phases of the moon helps us connect with the rhythms of nature and appreciate the beauty of our night sky. One of the moon's most significant effects on Earth is its influence on tides. The gravitational pull of the moon causes the oceans to bulge, creating high and low tides. This constant movement of water shapes coastlines, affects marine life, and even influences human activity. Without the moon, Earth's tides would be much weaker, and life as we know it would be very different. The connection between the moon and tides is a powerful reminder of the interplay between celestial bodies. Eclipses are among the most dramatic celestial events involving the moon. A lunar eclipse occurs when Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the lunar surface. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the sun and Earth, temporarily blocking sunlight. These rare events have fascinated people for centuries, inspiring awe and sometimes fear. Today, we understand the science behind eclipses, but they remain breathtaking spectacles. Long before telescopes, ancient civilizations watched the moon and recorded its movements. From the Babylonians to the Chinese, people tracked lunar cycles for agriculture, navigation, and religious ceremonies. These early observations laid the foundation for astronomy. The moon's predictable path across the sky made it a natural timekeeper and a source of inspiration for myths and legends. Our fascination with the moon is as old as humanity itself. The invention of the telescope in the early 17th century revolutionized our understanding of the moon. Galileo Galilei was among the first to use a telescope to study the lunar surface, discovering mountains, craters, and valleys. His observations challenged the belief that the moon was a perfect, smooth sphere. The telescope opened a new era of exploration, allowing scientists to study the moon in unprecedented detail and sparking a wave of discoveries. The 20th century saw a dramatic shift in lunar exploration with the dawn of the space race. The United States and the Soviet Union competed to achieve milestones in space, with the moon as the ultimate prize. This rivalry led to rapid advancements in technology and a renewed focus on reaching beyond our planet. The dream of landing on the moon captured the world's imagination and set the stage for one of humanity's greatest achievements. 4 humans set foot on the moon, robotic probes paved the way. The Soviet Luna program and NASA's Ranger and Surveyor missions sent spacecraft to study the lunar surface up close. These probes provided valuable data, mapping the terrain and testing landing techniques. Their success made human landings possible and marked the beginning of direct exploration of another world. July 20, 1969, history was made as Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. Their iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world. The successful landing and return of Apollo 11 marked a triumph of human ingenuity and determination, inspiring generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Life on the moon is harsh and unforgiving. With no atmosphere, temperatures swing from scorching heat to freezing cold. The surface is covered in fine dust called regolith, which can be hazardous to equipment and astronauts. Despite these challenges, the Apollo missions proved that humans could survive and work on the moon, laying the groundwork for future exploration and even the possibility of lunar bases. One of the most valuable outcomes of lunar exploration has been the collection of moon rocks and soil samples. These materials have provided scientists with insights into the moon's composition, age, and history. By studying these samples, researchers have learned about the processes that shaped the moon and, by extension, the early solar system. Each rock tells a story billions of years in the making. Gravity on the moon is only about 1/6 as strong as on Earth. This lower gravity allows astronauts to make high jumps and move with ease, but it also presents challenges for walking and working. Understanding lunar gravity is crucial for designing equipment and planning future missions. It also provides a unique environment for scientific experiments that can't be done on Earth. Explore more of the moon's surface. Astronauts used lunar rovers during the later Apollo missions. These electric vehicles allowed them to travel farther and carry more equipment. Rovers made it possible to collect a wider variety of samples and conduct more experiments. Their success has inspired the design of future vehicles for exploring not just the moon, but other planets as well. Far side of the moon, often called the dark side, is a place of mystery. It's not actually dark, but it always faces away from Earth due to tidal locking. This region has a rugged landscape with more craters and fewer maria than the near side. Recent missions have begun to explore this hidden hemisphere, revealing new insights about the moon's history and structure. For many years, scientists believed the moon was completely dry. However, recent discoveries have revealed traces of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. This water could be a vital resource for future missions, providing drinking water, oxygen, and even rocket fuel. The search for water is now a major focus of lunar exploration. Moon was once volcanically active, with eruptions shaping its surface billions of years ago. The dark maria are evidence of ancient lava flows that filled large basins. While the moon is now geologically quiet, studying its volcanic history helps scientists understand the evolution of rocky planets and the processes that shaped our solar system. Moon's surface is covered with craters of all sizes, created by impacts from asteroids and comets over billions of years. Some craters are enormous, stretching hundreds of kilometers across. These features provide a record of the solar system's history and help scientists estimate the age of different regions on the moon. Each crater tells a story of cosmic collisions. Like Earth, the moon has a very thin and tenuous atmosphere called an exosphere. It's made up of trace amounts of gases like helium, neon, and hydrogen. This exosphere is so thin that it offers no protection from meteoroids or solar radiation. Understanding the moon's atmosphere helps scientists learn about other airless bodies in the solar system. Moon does not have a global magnetic field like Earth, but some rocks on its surface are magnetized. This suggests that the moon once had a magnetic field, possibly generated by a molten core. Studying lunar magnetism provides clues about the moon's interior and its early history. These findings help scientists understand how planetary magnetic fields form and evolve. Robots have played a crucial role in exploring the moon. From the Soviet Lunar Rovers to modern landers and orbiters, these machines have gathered data, taken photographs, and tested new technologies. Robotic missions are essential for scouting landing sites and conducting experiments before humans arrive. They are the pioneers of lunar exploration. Lunar exploration is now a global effort. Countries like China, India, and Japan have launched successful missions to study the moon. These international collaborations and competitions are expanding our knowledge and opening new possibilities for future exploration. The moon has become a symbol of scientific cooperation and ambition. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence. The goal is to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface, paving the way for future missions to Mars. Artemis represents a new era of exploration, with advanced technology and international partnerships driving progress. Building a permanent base on the moon is a long-term goal for many space agencies. Such a base could support scientific research, resource extraction, and serve as a stepping stone to Mars. Designing habitats that can withstand the harsh lunar environment is a major challenge, but progress is being made. Lunar bases could one day become a reality. Moon is rich in resources like helium-3, rare earth elements, and water ice. Mining these materials could support lunar bases and even provide resources for Earth. However, extracting and processing resources in the harsh lunar environment presents significant technical and ethical challenges. The future of lunar mining is a topic of active research and debate. Growing food on the moon is essential for long-term missions. Scientists are experimenting with hydroponics and other techniques to cultivate plants in lunar soil and controlled environments. Success in lunar agriculture would reduce the need to transport supplies from Earth and make lunar bases more self-sufficient. Reliable communication is vital for lunar missions. Engineers are developing advanced networks to connect astronauts, robots, and mission control. These systems must overcome challenges like distance, signal delay, and the moon's rugged terrain. Innovations in lunar communication will benefit future exploration and even improve technology on Earth. Navigating on the moon is very different from Earth. Without GPS satellites, astronauts and robots rely on landmarks, maps, and new navigation systems. Accurate navigation is crucial for safety and mission success. Developing these systems is a key part of preparing for future lunar exploration. The moon is an ideal place for scientific experiments. Its unique environment allows researchers to study everything from cosmic rays to the effects of low gravity on living organisms. Experiments conducted on the moon have advanced our understanding of physics, biology, and the universe itself. The moon has played a central role in human culture for millennia. It appears in myths, legends, art, and literature from every civilization. From the ancient Greek goddess Selene to modern poetry and music, the moon continues to inspire creativity and imagination. Its presence in our lives goes far beyond science. Artists have long been captivated by the moon's beauty. Paintings, sculptures, and photographs capture its changing phases and mysterious glow. The moon's image has become a symbol of romance, mystery, and the passage of time. Through art, we see the moon not just as a celestial body but as a source of inspiration. Writers and poets have used the moon as a symbol in countless works. From Shakespeare's plays to modern science fiction, the moon represents dreams, longing, and the unknown. Its presence in literature reflects our fascination with exploration and the mysteries of the universe. The moon has inspired musicians across genres and generations. From classical compositions to popular songs, its influence can be heard in melodies and lyrics. The moon's quiet beauty and ever-changing face make it a powerful muse for artists seeking to capture emotion and wonder. Folklore from around the world is filled with stories about the moon. Some cultures see a rabbit or a face in its surface, while others tell tales of lunar deities and magical events. These stories reflect humanity's deep connection to the moon and its place in our collective imagination. The moon's regular cycles have made it a natural timekeeper for thousands of years. Many ancient calendars were based on lunar months, and some cultures still use lunar calendars today. The moon's influence on timekeeping shows its importance in organizing human life and society. Astrology has long associated the moon with emotions, intuition, and change. In many traditions, the moon's position at birth is believed to influence personality and fate. While astrology is not a science, its popularity shows the enduring fascination with the moon's mysterious power. Many cultures celebrate festivals based on the lunar calendar. Events like the Mid-Autumn Festival in China and Ramadan in the Islamic world are tied to the phases of the moon. These celebrations highlight the moon's role in marking time and bringing people together. Mythologies from around the world feature lunar gods and goddesses. From Artemis in Greece to Chandra in India, these deities embody the moon's power and mystery. Myths about the moon reveal how deeply it is woven into the fabric of human belief and storytelling. The moon has long been a symbol of romance and love. Its gentle glow and presence in the night sky make it a favorite backdrop for poets and lovers alike. The moon's association with romance is a testament to its emotional impact on our lives. Dreams of traveling to the moon have inspired generations. From early science fiction to real-life missions, the moon represents the ultimate adventure. Its distant, mysterious presence in the sky continues to fuel our imagination and drive us to explore. Exploring the moon has driven advances in technology, from rockets and computers to materials science and robotics. These innovations have not only made lunar missions possible but have also benefited life on Earth. The quest to reach the moon continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of lunar exploration is bright. New missions, international partnerships, and technological breakthroughs are opening up possibilities we could only dream of before. The moon may one day become a hub for science, industry, and even tourism. Our journey is just beginning. The moon's influence on Earth goes beyond tides. It stabilizes our planet's tilt, helping to create a stable climate. Its presence has shaped the evolution of life and the development of human civilization. The moon is not just a distant object in the sky, but a vital part of our world. As we conclude our exploration of the moon, we reflect on its enduring mystery and significance. From ancient myths to modern science, the moon has shaped our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The journey to the moon is a story of curiosity, courage, and discovery. As we look to the future, the moon will continue to inspire us to reach for new horizons and dream beyond the stars.